Still muted, Wix. You still can't hear.
Yo, you guys hear me right now, right?
Yes, yeah, coming through now.
I don't fucking know what's going on, man. So here's the deal. I was looking to hopping on here. I was looking to have buys above the 30, but I didn't recognize that this 15 was here, so I'm not a big fan of this 15. I'll just explain really quickly where I am. I've done the breakdown already twice in this stream, and I did a full one, a fast one, and now we're doing this one. I was looking for buys hopping on here because we held support. We've created a resistance. If we were going to come down, it would have been that previous 30. But we've closed above here, right? And so I was looking on the break of highs to take the buy, but then I see this wick that came down here where we can reject right there. And I see a 15 level that we haven't broken above yet. So I'm going to wait on this 15 because if we were going to come down, right, once we've created a resistance right here, this previous candle should technically have come down. This would have been an onion, but it didn't. It closed back up above. So I'm not expecting a drive down. I'd rather get a closure above here and a ride up, but I need a closure above this 15. If it just pushes up now, I won't take it, even though the 30 did close above. There's a potential for a 30 fake out off the 15 level here, right? This is a 15 level. We tapped it, and we can come back down close below the 30, and then the 15 and the 30 both fall in line. And we're gonna, if that happens, then you'll get faked out, right? There's a chance we tap the 15 like we just did, and then close below the 30. This 30 right here. All right, you might see this, and that'll be your fake out, and then you're heading back down. if you see my lips moving at any time throughout the stream, please let me know that I'm muted. If you see them moving, but there's no sound. Yeah. We're gonna get a push now. Did it try to come down? Held a little support here. Ooh, this is lovely. Look at this. Maybe it's gonna come up the same way it came down. I don't know. It could look. There's a level here. Look how it came down right there. Boom. Tap this area that we just tapped and then came back down. So we're coming up that same way. Tap that area right here. Holding this support, right? And now I might come back up to here. But I still need a closure. I need a closure. I'm not going to take the impulse on the break of highs. I'd rather wait for an actual closure above. I mean, you can be impulsive, but I'm okay with waiting today. And it's FOMC, and this morning it's going to be a short stream, the morning stream. I might be back at 2 o'clock, but in the morning, I got to go here today at around 10. It's 5's got no wick. All right. 8 minutes. Webcam mic. I did a fast one for the gang. Appreciate that, Creed. Yeah, she keeps pumping up and coming back down. Pump up, bring it back down. It's either gonna pop heavy or drop heavy. I just don't want it to pop and then drop. Luke's gonna do the whole stream muted. Don't speak Lipanese. Sorry, I didn't see chat in front of me because I was just opening everything up. I just got into the house. Yeah, it's gonna re-break highs here. But you know, bump it up. Yeah, if it breaks highs, there's a high chance this spot just pops. I just won't be a part of it. Give to me closure. Give me the closure. Oh, who was impulsive? Who got in here? Broke the highs, and the 4-hour broke its own high, and the hourly's broken the high, so it should come up, right? That would be the logical thing to do, but we haven't had a closure yet, so I'm a little skeptical. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. You're in buys? Yeah, I mean, I don't blame you. It looks logical. That's why I was rushed home as I saw this. I was like, man, this is crazy. Well, I saw this when I got home, but I rushed to the charts. But the 30 did close above, so it does make sense in the break of the highs on the 30. But there's a 15 level, and how often have we rejected off a 15 level just to fall in line with the 30 here? So I don't. But at this point, yeah, the way it's coming up here, I just don't see it not going to 37.11 here. Damn, I didn't even get no notification or anything. Yeah, that's what happens. Whoever took the break of the highs, you guys should be up about 20 pips here. Why are we coming back down? 4 hour is bearish. Look at the previous 4 hour. Look how heavily bearish that was. Be crazy if this 4 hour starts this whole ride up right now over the next hour and a half. Whew. It's time for this 5 to flip. This is the level right here. This is the level to drive off of on the 5. If it's going to drive. There we go. Good morning, good morning. Oh, let me get this AC going. It's hot as balls in here. Yeah, it gets annoying when you run to the charts for this, but don't take it. But there's good enough reasons for me not to take it, so. Yo, where the butt at? Will I be doing a FOMC stream? I was thinking about it, but I'm gonna try to make it back. I'll try, but I don't know. Last time we did it, I have such a busy day today. I already had a busy morning, and I just don't know if I'm gonna make it on time with all the stuff I got going on. Well, there you go. Congrats. You guys are up around 30 pips. Whoever's took the break of the highs there. Okay. Just closed. Nice job. Congrats. Yeah, I just don't see this going back down here right now. Wouldn't make sense. It's gotta grab resistance levels. Damn, I fucking rushed here for no reason. It's gonna be a long time till this sets up. I'm gonna go smoke a fat Jamaican joint. You guys enjoy your Wednesday. It was my birthday yesterday. And I'm going to enjoy it today because I never really enjoy my birthday. I'm so happy it's over. Yeah, I was fucking yelling at people. Fuck out the way. I got to get to the stream. That was a waste of my voice. Move's gone? Yeah, this move? Oh, yeah. Move's gone. Move was down here on the break of the previous candle high. If you were reading it off the 30. For me, I got a level here that we've rejected off and rejected off. And okay. Yeah, and just for that reason, when you say, you know, the move's gone, yeah. So for that reason, since you have to wait for a whole nother move, there's a shitload of time. You guys have at least 45 minutes to go do whatever the fuck you want. For at least 3 15-minute candles, it is impossible for there to be another move according to the way we trade. Well, according to the way I trade. It would just, yo, go chill. Go do whatever you got to do for a half hour, 45 minutes. Or bring people here and tell them, hey, I'm watching this shit do nothing. Come through. Benny! Well, fuck you too then. What's up, man? How are you? Ooh. I got it. Going for 26.9K. How about this? I've been at 26.9K 4 times already. And all 4 times I've been back below 26.8 or 26.7. So, yeah. Fuck you too. I mean, I love you guys, but I'm salty as hell over this shit. Oh, man. Fuck it, 27K it is. Yeah. I've been 26.9, 26.8 limbo for like a good month. It just don't make sense. The trading balance goes up or the sub count goes up. That's what YouTube's saying. Yeah. God, I'm so annoyed at this. Like, why don't we retest the lows here before the heavy push up? Right? Maybe because we're on a really bullish fucking run here and this shit's just... Support? Fuck a retest. Run! So... Dang, did we take a trade? No. I closed out the buy stops that ended up running for 50 pips. Yeah, buy stop right here, and then I closed it when I saw the 15 level there, right? But then it was irrelevant because even after the 15 level, the shit ran for how long? For 50 pips. You missed nothing. Half the stream caught it though. Half the stream was comfortable with those buys. Yeah, I mean, there's just like you had a small time frame, big time frame, just line up for a split second, but everything but the daily was bearish. Okay, what are we doing? Can we get... Welcome, Nisha. Let's go, boys. Lost 200 for the week. Got it back in 3 hours. We're pushing P. How about this? Imagine how much further ahead you'd be if you never took that L. Or if you guys don't take... It's so crazy how, like, you end up taking a shitty trade because you want to be in a position. And then you end up... And you lose it. And then you end up taking a good trade because you've spent enough time there, right? You've seen the shitty trade play out. You've seen everything play out. Now you've waited for yours. Played it. You got it. It played out. And then you're sitting there like, damn, why the fuck did I take that? Why the fuck did I take that first trade? Why did I take that $200 loss? So, like, if I could, like, if you could have just avoided that, just if you could have avoided that loss, how much further ahead would you be? So, like, that's key. Because the win that you got, right, was probably clear and obvious. So if you just waited for that, remember that should be a lesson, right? Because, you know, the second time it happens, there's a lesson in that too. You know what it teaches you? It teaches you that you didn't learn shit the second time you take that loss. So learn from it and don't do it again. Do you have any swing ideas at this time? Well, if you look at the daily, and the 4 hour, yeah, no. I don't have a swing idea for you. Probably 3,600 flat areas. Once the market comes back down to 3,600 flat, you could swing from here to retest the highs. So it would sort of be, right? It would sort of be the equivalent, right, of taking a buy here. Would sort of be the equivalent of taking a buy here. Right? That retest right there. That would be my swing. Yeah, same thing. Higher time frame has to form a resistance. Come down to support. Yeah, I would swing off of there on the daily. I don't trade the daily. Otherwise, we would stream once a year, maybe 3 times a year. If we traded the daily and the weekly, I'd be like, all right, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. I'll see you guys in February 2027 for our next stream when we set up again. That's how it would be. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, we're setting up. We're pretty close to setting up here by Jesus' birthday. What up, focus? I'm all out of focus. I'm all out of focus today. Yeah, I feel like I've already lived like 2 days today. Like my entire morning feels like a completely separate day. Feels like a Hold on, gang. Let me find an ashtray. Damn. I don't know why they always save me my birthday cake. Every year I have a birthday cake. Every year they save me a piece, and every year I never try it. I haven't tried my birthday cake since I was 9 years old. Damn. Who the fuck can eat cake on their birthday? Who can fucking eat it? I just can't eat cake. Here's the deal. I'm not a big fan of celebrating my birthday. Like, I hate when people are like, "Ah, it's your birthday, Wix." I'm like, shut the fuck up. You know, get off my property. Who are you? I don't even know you. Who the fuck is this stranger yelling happy birthday on my yard? But yeah, so you know, you're not a big fan of celebrating, so then it's like, yeah, you already don't like, you're doing something you don't want to do. You typically don't have a good appetite doing something you don't want to do. And then it's not even food that you need appetite for, it's cake. Nah, I'm over it. Typical Eastern European. Why? Yeah. Why is it typical? Why do they not eat their cake? And I'll eat cake all the other times because I have a craving. But on my birthday, I don't want to do shit. I want to be left the fuck alone. All Eastern Europeans don't like their birthdays. I don't mind my birthday. I'm just not a big fan of everyone making a big deal. Like what did we win? What the fuck are we celebrating? Oh yeah, happy birthday, Wix? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. It's gonna rain right now again. Sick. Yo, I went to the car wash yesterday and I tried to get that ceramic shit put on, and they tried to and it was pouring rain so hard. He was like, look, man, this shit ain't gonna work. I was like, isn't this meant for rain? He's like, yeah, but it's also meant to be dried for like hours. So it needs to set, right? Okay, so that's what they told me. So they're not lying. So they gave me a little ticket and they're like, come back another day. Motherfuckers. Just clowning. 4 hour. What do you think of female drivers? No survivors. Why? If you don't like the way they drive, stay off the sidewalk. What'd you think? That's for you to walk there? No. The sidewalk, you should be in the grass. The sidewalk is like this. Okay. If you guys play baseball, you know how you get the warning track right before the home run, right before the wall, the outfield wall? You get the warning track. Technically, the sidewalk is the warning track for drivers. Like it's part of the field, and it's good if it goes, but you can't go past. Then you fucked up. What are we looking for? Buy or sell, guys? Right now, we were looking for buys. The buys are gone, and now we're looking for nothing until it sets up again. Buys or sells could set up again, but at this moment, the only thing that's set up is my camera. The splash zone of roads. High chance of getting hit. Yo, Wix, I was passing by that car wash yesterday while you were there. La Ferrara, yeah. La Ferrara, that's right. Damn, you was in my neighborhood? I was there. Why didn't you stop by and say what up? Why didn't you say what up, dog? Hey, what the fuck were you doing there? If you ever been to the UK, if no, then please don't come. It's trash. It's Tarsh. Ooh, that's Toga. It's Tarsh. That's Toga. Two best friends, Tarsh and Toga. What if I have been to the UK? Then I should come? Or still don't come? Bro, too much traffic and I was trying to go home in Hialeah. Company shop is there in Hollywood right behind that car wash. Behind that car wash is like a stone, like a masonry place. Or like a door plate, like a wood masonry. Where's Kenny? I'm the only one smoking on stream here. You can't miss the opportunity to meet Wix, bro. Don't be running up on me. Florida's open carry. Well, it will be. When are we open carry, guys? You know, when are we starting to open carry here in Florida? The 4 hours bearish. Watch this shit flip. Okay, so let's go over this. 906 here. I will look for positions here, maybe for NYC Open, if we can. The day is bullish, right? So can we continue making our way up, and can we do it in style with volume? You feel me? So we are coming down right now on this candle. If this 15 can close bearish, and if we can get a support on the next 15 for NYC Open, we'll have an onion here down here to come up. That is a big if, because we still have about 25 minutes, 24 minutes left, 23 minutes left. But if the 15 can bring us down here, right? And the next 15 can keep us above here, then at 9:30 we are looking to continue the drive up. Well, it's doing it on the 5. There's nothing else outside of that I see setting up anytime soon. Funny how at 8:40.
Hey, Wix, your mic cutting out.
Sick. Yeah, I don't know what the last thing you guys heard. All I said was it's funny how we said at 8:45 that that at least 45 minutes for the next possible setup, right? And I say 45 minutes, right? Like, why do I say 3 candles? Because you're gonna need a range, right? A drive. You're gonna need a pullback, and you're gonna need a support. That's 3 candles. Push, pullback, support, right? That's gonna create the range that you can now trade, and it's gonna give you an entry in your direction, right? So as you're coming up, because you've created the range coming up, you're gonna have a pullback on the next candle to come down. You're gonna have a third candle to form support. So the earliest possible position was 45 minutes, right? From, you're like, why do you say that? Why can't we get in the next candle, the one after that? Because for a new setup to form, you're gonna need at least 3 candles, at the very least. But it doesn't look like we're getting the pullback we want, right? I want the pullback to come all the way down here, the next 15 create a support down here, and then we'll trade it. Outside of that, it's going to take a lot longer even to set up. But I got nothing but time. That's how I look at it. I'll be it tomorrow. Be it the day after. I got nothing but time. Damn. Forcing trades just to trade rooms accounts? Yes. Moving at a faster pace. We're expecting a rate drop today, right? 25 basis points at least. Maybe 9:45. Yeah, usually, right? Usually on a FOMC day, you can feel it, right? It's not like the usual rhythm. You usually won't get the big money committing ahead of the Fed, right? They're positioning light and they're all waiting for 2 p.m. But just because the big money is not in the market, that doesn't mean we can't trade, right? All it means is we just have to kind of trade smarter. So some less chasing, more patience, more respect for fake outs. Remember, on days like this, your job in the morning is to protect capital, so you can even play the big move later. Otherwise, you're just gonna watch people, play the game that you wanted to be a part of. Consistency isn't about making a killing every session. It's really about living to fight the next round. And today, the next round is FOMC. Make sure you could be make sure you can have access to that game. FOMC stream, it is like 30% likely to happen right now. It's not looking too great for that. UK countryside is nice. Yeah, that's what the Germans said. Careful with this area right here. Jay, you still holding buys? It's a massive runner right there you got. $15 closed. Ain't shit going on. How much room is there to come up there? Might see this area tap 37.12 on the dot and start breaking up. There it is, 37.12. You might see a push up from here. Just haven't closed above any levels here, man. It's ugly. $37.10. There's one ugly 1 hour candle. Check Forex chart. 15 looks money, but I'm not trading Forex. Like, you know. Yeah, Forex look good, man. They look good. I honestly don't know if it looks good here. What time is it? 9:20? I really want to see what NYC Open brings. If we start breaking highs here for NYC Open, I'll look for buys there. So if we can wait for 10 minutes and then start breaking highs, yeah, NYC Open will be a position for us. But that's just because we're breaking highs, we'll be expecting volume. What's up, Benny? We stream FOMC? 30% likelihood. It's like 30-70 right now. Like I said, I'm going to be... Yeah, I try to stream it every month, but just... I'm going to be really busy today. At this point, just pin your answer to that question, Wix. They'll come up with something new. They always do. You still talk to Don Vol? Yeah. I can only pin one right now, bro. I don't have any more pins left. Please update session trades. You are not wrong. Monterage, FX Lee. What's the deal? Why is chat not moving today? There isn't much going on. Everybody knows what we're waiting for. Everyone knows. Everyone understands what the fuck's going on in the charts. Nothing. Nothing's going on in the charts. What you gonna do for it? 5 minutes there for NYSE Open. I wonder if we can form support above our previous range. Everyone asleep right now because of FOMC? Well, we just spoke about it. Hold on. Yeah, I want to make sure that my it's working.
Yeah, you working.
Yeah. Yeah, I was saying we spoke about it. Like you can almost like feel it, right? Like gold is not in its usual rhythm. That's the big money will be coming in at 2.
Oh, I know what I meant to ask you. Did you get the threesome you wanted for your birthday?
I don't remember that conversation.
Oh, I'm sorry. We don't laugh. Anyway, how's the weather in Miami? Hey, Mama Wicks.
Oh, I love this place. What you guys do last night? Hey, y'all better throw these likes up for real. All right, we got 80 seconds here. Hold on, let me. I still don't have an ashtray. Here comes the rain. Visit another planet and watch The Accountant 2 with my wife. Incredible. Amazing. I don't know how you made it to the stream. So, is it going to respect that level? Wow. If it can make a bottom wick, maybe we can get a celery play here. Is that all the wick we get? I just wanted to dip down into range here. Dip down into range, break these highs. $30 pip stops. Maybe we take them here for NYC Open. I'm gonna have. It's not gonna be too much. It's gonna be a 30 pip stop. So maybe once we break the lows here, can it break the fucking lows? Set a buy stop on the break of the previous candle high. It's gonna push. All right. 23. Let's see. It's NYSE open, so I just expect it to push a little. Alright, so limit sell maybe of 2. If this breaks the lows, it would be even more amazing. But I'm going low, smaller risk here, betting on NYSE open. 147, 148. Let's just see what happens. And it's going to be current candle stops. I'm not going to risk more than 30 pips on this. 31. About to get activated. NYSE open here. Take us to the promised land. Let's effing go. Let's go. Small risk, small risk, small risk. Come on, market. Come on, market. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Lee. Come on. Right. We're activated. Stop's going current candle. About a 31 pip stop. Right, I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Moving stops to break even. Let's see if we can. Oh, sell! No! Come, no, don't. Come on! Yo, if this takes us out to break even. Come on. Come on. Let's fucking go. Hit it. Hit it, goddammit. It's NYSE open, goddammit. Smash. Let's go! Yeah! Let's fucking go! Alright, let's go. Pull up, pull up. NYSE open. Volume, volume. Give me volume. Don't you know? Pump it up. Come on. Come on, Lee! I'm gonna sell a little more right there. 25. So I just secured another quarter of my position on the live account. Yo! Why are we holding? Why are we holding? It's Wednesday, work day, baby. Work. Work, gold. Work. I need you to work. Fucking work. Fucking work. Fucking work. 10 more pips. All right, fuck it. Let's secure right there. 30 pips. Let's do it. Boom. Boom, Bokla. Benny! Give me a hug. Give me a hug. We're fucking... Oh, you see this? The mic don't work, bro. Oh, it would have hit that 40 there. But 30 pips. Yep. I'm not taking this at any other time except NYC Open, just expecting volume to push this. Benny sees the profit. He wants a new bowl. This guy is out of control. He just fucking... Come on. All right, come on. One more hug. Oh, shit. Bro, the mic don't work because of you, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, yo. Now you're looking at me? Get the fuck away from me. A wild ass dog for no reason, bro. No manners, no shame, nothing. Lick him back. Word. Lickety backety. Bro weighs the same as a small bear. He's 130 pounds now. 130 pounds. W. NYC Open. Timing. Timing and price action aligning to create one beautiful baby by the name of W. Damn, y'all ain't, you are not out high pitching me. Bantamweight dog. How often you enter trades the last 15 of the hour? Quite often. Last 15 of the 4 hour? Not often at all. Almost never. Actually, no, I'm lying. Last 15 of the Forex 4 hour? Almost never. Last 15 of my 4 hour? All the time because it's NYC Open time, just like right now. We're coming into that area. It's that time. I mean, good closure. I mean, we could have gotten maybe another possibly 6-7 pips out of this. Not more. Yo, Signal Channel's been on a run. This channel's been on a run. Yo. Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. 9:40. You know what we should do? Jay, how come you're not telling me to update session trades? Fine, fine. I'll do it. Don't twist my arm.
Sorry, that's it. We're going to stop, but that's why I'm not going to talk to them. But
Wait, I can't hear you. What'd you say?
yeah, I'm saying we're probably stop.
Is he doing this on purpose? No, we can't
No,
hear you.
I had to wait.
You have no
Um,
service for now, right now for some reason, or you're like cutting in and out.
Really?
Yeah, you're.
That's so weird. No, well, I'm using another laptop to do computer. That. Can you hear me better?
It's you know what's happening. You're going like, oh, it's because, and I'm like, yeah, we can't hear you. You're like, really? It's probably because. So we hear the stuff that we don't care about, the words because, but we don't hear the actual reasoning.
No, like, it's maybe it's my mom isn't.
Are you mocking me right now, bro? Honestly,
Is it again?
that's
I
not
mean,
nice, bro. You're not being nice if you're mocking me right now.
I'm not mocking you. I'm using a new laptop.
I know.
Hello?
He said I'm not mocking you. I'm using a new
Laptop. New laptop.
New laptop.
Not to go.
I thought he was making fun of me. I thought he was like, ha ha. Like, bro, that's not nice.
Not to go with my mom. Rent a car.
Technologia.
Went to Spain.
Jay, you sound like my man on Charlie Brown.
I'm
The
trying.
teacher.
Mm.
You gotta restart like something. Something deserves restarting. I'm not sure what.
Restart Zoom.
Portuguese.
Zoom and come back in.
I think you gotta like exit out of Zoom or restart it because like it's coming through terrible.
Sound like Portuguese.
Nah. That did not sound like Portuguese. That sounded alien. Sir, we're getting a transmission from outer space. Block him. He speaks encrypted. Word. That's what Braille sounds like. W closure. Yeah, look at this shit. Came all the way back. W! Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. $15 minutes here to the 4-hour closure. Yeah, like the stream, gang. Like it up. 200 watching here. 200, you call it 30 pips. Yeah, I got you, Jay. Drop some likes. Should be at least 200 likes. And there should be at least 250 people tomorrow. Like, WTF. Where are you? What are you doing?
Alright, you still hear me off? Or is it been?
Did that answer your question? That's why a lot of people don't like me. I'll make a joke out of everything, bro. Honestly, there's nothing off limit. Like everything's a joke. It's just the way my ma works.
What about now? Can you hear me?
Good. Yeah. W.
All right. All right. So it's my My earpiece. So I just put in the cable. I was saying I didn't write it enough for you because I barely slept. I slept like 2 hours, 3 hours, because my mom had to go rent a car, so I went to help her out with that. And she left at 7:30 this morning, our time here, which is 2:30 at your time. And then we traded last night Asian a little later and tried to do pre-London as well. So now she's in Spain, and with my girl and my girl's family. So that's why I'm not talking today. I'm exhausted, bro. But big W on the trade, man. I've been taking buys all morning, trying to recoup last night's loss. So I'm 30 pips away from recouping last night's loss, man. So I'm very happy about it.
How much did you lose last night? Pip-wise.
I lost 120 pips last night, and others lost a lot more. I closed a lot earlier, so I'm trying to recoup
the day.
Sorry.
You're at 90 pips for the day.
Yes.
Nice.
And on the funded, I was $80 away, like 16 pips from.
You're 90 pips on the day or on the session, and FOMC is like 4 hours away still. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like, we got room.
I mean, the buys that we just took, I closed at the tip, at the top.
Yeah.
The next candle,
It was probably like a easy read. Like the wicks are really easy to read on Forex.
It was nice, yeah. As soon as it rebroke the highs anyways, that it had a hard time.
Look at that 30 level NYC open.
Holding
30
yesterday.
level right there on the dot.
Yeah. And I'm trying to recoup for the funded as well, because I don't want to end up with a drawdown day. And
oh my God, you were right there on the funded too. You were right by the page. So,
bro,
so
$80.
how much was that loss on the funded?
It was $650.
Bro, I was literally like 2 trades away from on 2 accounts, and I fucking took 3 losses in a row, 2 losses in a row, and I lost those accounts, and I was like literally like a trade away, and it happened.
I know, it's disgusting when that happens, bro.
That is the worst, man. It's not the worst because you're like, all right, it's a funded account. What the fuck did it really cost me? Nothing. But it's just it cost you time.
Yeah, it did. So right now I am $300 away from passing it. So I can do it all today because I would be allowed to.
Because
I'm at
still the daily's still open.
26,100.
The daily's still open, right?
Yeah, I'm 80 pips away.
It's the daily drawdown, so you're technically, it's like you've never seen that drawdown. You're only
Correct.
at 30 pips.
The only thing that'll change is the worst loss of the position, but not of the day. So I'm still good. So I'm still trading. I'm 80 pips away.
That's irrelevant. Because once you get a payout, you're not going to give a shit about this account.
No, correct. Actually, I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to add on the other 25 that you're sending me. And I'll trade the 25, the new one, and I'll copy trade it. Of course.
Remembers.
And I'll copy trade it, and I'll trade, and I'll get 5% on the one I'm doing now. If I pass it, I'll go get the second payout for 5%, and the other one's still 6%. So that's what I'm excited to.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, man, step by step. But yeah, I mean, today with FOMC, I'm not worried. It's gonna move. It's 80 pips away on that.
Today, I'm gonna rob them for $1,500. If they got more, I will not take it. It's $1,500 is what I need. I will rob them for $1,500. They better have my money though. They better have enough. I'll not take more.
Bitch better have my money. Yeah, man.
Loss on stream for Turpy was 213 pips, and he made back 80 pips, and we still massive profit for the month. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Dubs is. Yeah, wait till FOMC. Buy stop, sell stops. YOLO.
Step by step. I mean, I'm not worried. It's gonna push. It's gonna have so much volume, regardless of if they lower the rates or not. There's gonna be massive movement. But if they're
gonna lower the rates. He's gonna lower the rates at least.
Yeah, 25 or 50. We'll see. Yeah, and then so we're gonna have volume and movement.
50, maybe, I don't know. Maybe Trump sent a fucking team of hookers to Powell's fucking office. I don't know if he does 50 points. Like some wild, drastic shit would have had to happen.
Yeah, I mean, if it's 50 basis points, bro, the market will it'll break
he
the
does
market.
not
But yeah.
like Trump. He's just 50 would be like, all right, I agree with you, and like you've been right all along. 25 is like they've already forced his hand. Like he like what's he gonna do? Like everyone will.
He has
hate
no
him.
choice.
Yeah, it's just everyone will hate him. Everyone already hates him. Everyone will hate him. He has no reasoning, right? He has no reasoning behind not dropping them. Everything he's talked about, we need to see for a few months, and the tariffs and how they were, and like what kind of impact that. Like you saw the few months, you saw the entire world bend the knee to Trump. I think they're affecting the U.S. pretty well.
True. We didn't even get NYSE
His hand
volume,
has been
bro.
forced by time, I think.
Yeah.
And by results, by Trump's results. Will gold move up regardless of how many basis points? Ooh, that remains to be seen, my friend. That remains to be seen. You're not just getting the rate decision, you're getting a statement, and then you're getting also their projections today. Right? The dot plot. We'll see. We'll see. It's all about real yields, right? So, and the dollar. So if they lean hawkish, yields up, dollar up, gold gets heavy. If they get a little weak and dovish, yields cool off, dollar slips, and gold can rip. So you really want to watch, right? You really want to watch three things here, and that's going to be what as the news drops at 2 p.m. Really, you know how I say it, it's really not what they say. It's really the feel they give off and the sentiment. So yeah, obviously you want to watch the headline rate, right? That's going to be dropped, but you want to see if there's any kind of changes in their outlook from previous statements, right? And kind of related to that. And remember the previous statement, we watched it on here, and we saw Powell speak on uncertainty and the reason for no drops. We'll see what his outlook is for the future, and we'll I'm trying to remember what Focus said. Code the algo. I was gonna say we'll code the algo for 2 p.m. That's the session for you. Take care, y'all, gang. Just flip a coin, fuck it. It depends if they're gonna cut rates again before year end. Well, yeah, we kind of have to see what their outlook's gonna be. What do they think? They might even not even say what they think, but you'll be able to tell in the demeanor and certain cues and, you know, in speech. In the performance. Political theater is what they call it, and that's what we shall call it. Political theater. Because to them, it is theater. They all think they're performing, right? You can't tell me that the fact that there's massive amount of cameras on you does not change how you act, right? Because you'll be doing some wild shit, right? You'll be picking a scab off your head while fucking eating a booger, and then the camera's on you, and you'll be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so these people are aware that there's a massive amount of spotlight on them and a massive amount of cameras on them. So to them, it's all theater. A lot of it is just acting. Most of it is acting and being a certain persona or character. Four hours going to close here in 90 seconds. It's going to close bullish. Rejection from downside, rejection from the upside, so whoops on, right? There's not much in terms of direction, a lot of uncertainty, very arbitrary where we're going right now. We're respecting resistance after a big bullish drive, so nothing else doing just yet. Just yet. Yeah, I want some. You know what I'm craving? I'm craving Vietnamese food today. Yo, can you guys give me the top 3 dishes at the Vietnamese spot? And don't be a fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. You cook for me? You Viet? Viet. Green, CPR is asking to be banned. Ban me! Puh. So the 4 hours closed, made a bottom wick here. Closed bullish. You know what would be interesting here? Oh, this is tough. This is a good area too. 4 hour bottom wick. 4 hours just closed bullish and the daily is bullish, right? You're coming up towards the daily flip. You want to start looking for buys at supports. Celery play on the 15. This isn't bad either. It's not as high quality as the one we took, but should come up. And Q sold off. Yeah, I turned it off for today. As you can see, it's gold twice. You gotta order Bumbo we, right? Is that how it goes? Bumbo we. Fuck yeah. And bond me. Not to be racist, but how can you tell the difference between these Asian spots? I feel like I'm eating the same thing. Well, I know for a fact when I go to a Chinese spot, I'm not eating sushi. And I know for a fact when I'm eating you know what the fuck I mean. Cats and dogs. Yeah, like you know you're not getting a dog meat, right? In sushi, but you might in a Korean spot. You know, the thing is, nowadays, you know why you can't tell the difference? Eddie, because you have everything available to you, and it's usually available in the same fucking spot. Like, that's like we got all this fusion bullshit. Asian fusion. It's like all of Asia gathered at this fucking table. And fused. Yeah, I'm gonna have a Can I have a dragon roll pho? Yeah. It do smell like toes in the restaurants? I don't know. I like all different kinds of food. I like Asian food. You know what? I had Uzbek food yesterday. I want to go eat some Indian food. I like Indian restaurants. They have good food. I love going to pho spots. Those are good. I've just been like the last couple of years. I've been on this Jamaican grind. I've been on oxtail and gravy and rice and peas and plantains, and that's just and beef patties and jerk chicken and all that. Ooh, if you have and curry goat and yeah. It's like they reverse engineered a fart and brought it back to its original state, and then they made it smell. It's I don't know. I've been the Jamaican places. I don't even know what the fuck that means, honestly. I like me a beef patty with cool bread. Yeah, get yourself some red stripe. Garlic naan, I get that all the time. Naan. You making me hungry? Yeah, I'm like, we should just cook on stream. I'm about to place this camera right by my grill. About to cook steaks together. Who wants a fillet mignon? Jamaica me hungry. Wow. Yo. What time do we get activated on that trade? 3-4 minutes in? Did we even see a 5 close? Celery play, looking lovely. Santos, welcome. Yeah, I mean, this works. Found support, celery play. 32 pip stop, pretty much what we've had. Right. 33. Will it give you more than what we got? I don't know. What time is it? 10, 11? Yeah, I had to go at 10 here, gang. So here's the deal, because the sooner I go right now, the better, the more likely it is that I might make it for 2 p.m. Okay? So, let me run. Can I have some time off, boss? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm gonna be running out of the house. Still a W, big W today here, right? We got 30 pips before FOMC. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it here by 2. I'll probably let you guys know in the Discord and on Insta if I'm making it, and on IG, right? But if I'm not, I'll let you know. I'll make a post about it. I'll make a story about it. And I'll tell you if I'm coming, if I'm running late, or what's going on. And if I am, I'll tell you what time I'll be there for FOMC. Yeah, because it should be really volatile. I expect fucking fireworks today. Absolute fireworks. The market should fucking run today. Can we break all-time highs? Yeah, I expect fireworks. Anything's possible.
Wix, if he won't stream, I think Turpy might be willing to stream. He's writing in the chat just to let him know.
Yeah, I just
saw. Yeah.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know in the Discord. I'll let you know. I've been so fucking busy. I don't know what planet I'm on. But I do end up making it down to stream in the mornings, and so far it's been working. I was late today, but I've been just mad busy. But look, we started the stream a bit late. We still got our position at the right time, right? Price action, NYC open, timing, everything aligned. I said, wait, you hear me? There we go. Yeah, I said we started the stream a bit late, but we still, everything, we still got what we needed. We still got our W, price action, timing aligned. We took a trade for NYC open, which is what we typically do, right? We take a trade during a high volume time, and it paid off once again today. So amazing. Thank you guys for rocking with me today. I'm going to run. I'll try to be back here for FOMC. Obviously, I'll keep you guys updated and posted on what's going on. Jay, I appreciate you. Turpy, you as well. And today is the day. You too, bro. Today is the day you're gonna end in green. You're not gonna end the day in red, right? We're at 30 pips is getting wiped out real quick. And like Turpy said earlier, right? Every loss that you guys have ever had has been made back. So if you have the confidence of knowing that and that what you do works, then you're way ahead of the game. Way ahead of the game. Zoom gang, Kenny, Nick, tea and biscuits. Nick with the
Take
tea.
care, Weeks.
Later, Jorge. I'll see ya. Jay, everybody, Dr. Holmes. I'll see you guys hopefully at around 2 p.m. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place here for New York session. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. As always, appreciate you. And yeah, chat. Love and wisdom to you all. I'll see you guys here tomorrow morning or today at 2, depending on how today goes. All right.
Right on.
Yep, that's for me, gang. You already know. My time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Turpy, I'll let you know. Thumbs up. In the Discord. Take a breath, everyone. Step away from the charts. I see you. I'm about to click a button. I see you looking at the flip, and you're gonna click it. Don't do it.
Hey, can I make a last little comment?
Get some help.
I just took the buys there, and I just closed, and I'm now back in profit from last night. I recouped all the losses and back in profit of 15 pips. Let's fucking go.
I foresaw that. I just saw that for you.
It's awesome. I'm close to BE on the funded, and I didn't close partials there. I just took the entire position and caught 50 pips right there, bro. So I just wanted to let everybody know, even if you have a loss, it's not the end of everything. You can always find a way to make it back step by step by taking A+ positions. And And so don't give up if you have a loss on something, gang.
There you go. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. The universe spoke to me. You were gonna end the day in green.
I appreciate that, man. It's not over, baby. It's not over. It's not over. We still got FOMC, so do your thing. Hopefully you can make it. If not, I think Turpy might be willing
I'll let you know.
to trade.
All right.
Be safe. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate everybody.
Have a good one, everyone. Later.
down.